Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you that how you can disable or remove billing details as well as shipping details from your checkout page of WordPress website. So I was also facing the same issue, so finally I ended up with a solution. So I thought that I have to share the solution with you guys as well, because a lot of people would be facing the same problem. I explored the internet, I checked the community and all, but still I couldn't able to solve my issue. So finally I got the solution. So let me tell you how I solved this problem. So before continuing the video, if you are new on this channel, just click on the subscribe button to subscribe this channel and press on bell icon so that you get notified with the latest and updated videos. I am also uploading all the videos which are related to problem solvings, right? So let's continue with the video. So you can see that we have this checkout page here, and on left side you will be getting billing information, and on right hand side you will be getting the order information. So you can see over here, like we have the PayPal smart checkout buttons here. I have already integrated this one and these are working fine, but the problem here is I have duplicate fields on the left hand side and right hand side. So let me show you. I have all the fields here, like billing information, name, company, country, address, city, town, and postal code, telephone. And if you will be clicking on send to a different address, then you will be getting the shipping address over here. So again you will have the repetition of all the fields over here, right? So until you are not filling all the details here, you cannot proceed further. And the problem here is, like, you will have the same type of fields on this specific credit debit card form. So what we gonna do here is we wanted to remove this specific form from left side and we only keep the form on the right hand side, right? So first of all, let me show you how I can disable this specific shipping address from left side. So let's go to the dashboard here. So here you will be getting WooCommerce, then you need to click on settings here. So once you are clicking on settings, then you will be getting some journal information of the WooCommerce, and there you will be getting an option to disable your shipping address. So let me show you here. So currently this website is actually in the different language, so it will be translated into the English. So then after you will be getting few options here. So let me show you. So here we have English version of this website. Yeah, so we got this translation now. So you can see that we have address line 1, 2, city and country, and then we have the zip code. And if we are scrolling it down, this is actually a little slow towards the translation. So you can see here, like, we have shipping location and we have written here shipping to all countries in which you sell. So here if you will be clicking this button, then you will be getting disable shipping and shipping calculations. So if you are clicking this one, and let's save these changes, and if I have saved these, and now if you will be refreshing this checkout page, then you will be getting here, like, that checkbox has been removed from here. All right, and other information which is like billing information is as it is, and on the right hand side we have the order information, that is also as it is. But for now what we gonna do here is we are also going to disable the fields on the left hand side. So let me go again to the dashboard here. So once you are reaching on the dashboard, let me scroll it down and you need to click on plugins option. So here is this option here. So we need to click on plugins. So all the plugins would be shown here which would be installed right now. So let me show you. Actually you have to install one plugin here. So that plugin name is checkout field editor for WooCommerce. So this is not the only plugin which will be helping us to solve the issue, but still you have to install this one. So then after once you are installing this and activating this, then you will have to click on this setting option. So once you are clicking this one, then you will be getting few things to where you can disable all the fields. So let me show you how you will. So once this is refreshed, then you will be getting all the options of the billing fields as well as the shipping fields. So if you will be clicking on billing fields, then you will be getting all the fields here. So what we gonna do here is, like, we need to disable all these fields because these are showing over there. So let me click on this checkbox here. So all the fields are selected now, and let me click on disable. So once you are clicking on disable, then you need to click on save changes. So once you are done with this one, then let me refresh the page, which is like checkout page. So I'm gonna refresh this one, and then there would be few changes here, like the fields would be disabled. So you can see over here, like all the fields are disabled now. And let's see its translation here. So you can see that we have billing information which is removed from here. So let's see if this is working or not. So let me click on this button here. So if I am clicking on this specific button, this is actually related to the PayPal smart button checkout, and which is actually showing us another form where we can fill all the details of the card as well as shipping and billing address here. So you can see that everything is again over here. So we have finally removed all the details from the left hand side, which you can see over here. And another thing is, like, we have billing information and we have further information. So we can actually remove both these lines using CSS. So let me show you how we can remove these one. And if you are interested to remove order notes, then you can also disable that one from here. So let me show you. Here you have billing fields, shipping fields, and additional fields. So if you are clicking on additional fields, then you will be getting specific note field over here. And if you want, you can also, yes, this one. So order notes, if you want, you can also disable this one from here. So let me show you here. So I have clicked on inspect element, and then let me show you. Yeah, this is the element, and here you can see that WooCommerce billing fields. So let me copy this one, and I'm gonna write here on appearance, and inside of appearance we have adjustments, or maybe you will have the customize. So once you will be clicking this one, then you will have the option to add the custom CSS or maybe JS. But for now we have only needed to add the CSS. So let me show you how I will be adding that one. So here you can see that we have the option here, custom CSS. So actually this is in different language, but still, yeah, we have two things here. I have already added the CSS for another field. Let me show you what's that one. So I have added this class over here, and I'm gonna write here display none, and after that I am writing here important. And another thing was, first was billing information and another was further information. So let me tell you about the further information. If you will be clicking on this one, then you will be getting WooCommerce additional fields, right? So you can see that WooCommerce additional fields I have already written here, and H3 tag. So in the same way I have the billing information, which was this one. So this was also H3 tag. So what we gonna do here is, I am going to copy this specific field from here, and again writing here space H3 comma. So in this way, both the elements which we wanted to display none, that would be done over here. So let me remove the above CSS. So I have removed that one, and let me save this one. So once I will be saving all the CSS over here. So let me see that here we are getting some issue. So let me save it once again. Yeah, Finally this is saved, and let's refresh this page once again. So I'm going to refresh this one once again, and once this is done, then you will be getting only this specific note, and rest of the information would be hidden from here. So you will get rid of all the fields which were available onto your checkout page, and now it's good to go with all the things which we have actually required and we were expecting, right? So if you will be clicking this one, then you know that we are not getting any of the error here regarding the specific required field and stuff like that. So we are actually free from all the issues now, and you can see that we have the form here and all the details we can fill over here. So if you are thinking that you are facing the same issue, or maybe you stuck somewhere, I have alternate solutions as well. So just contact me or ask me the question in the comment section. I will definitely try my best to help you out with all these problems. And I have also developed the website in which I have actually integrated PayPal smart checkout buttons. So these are working fine now, and if you are also facing such type of issues, or maybe you have needed such type of things, so let me show you. For example, this website, I'm going to the shop page. So here you will be getting all the products over here listed, and if I will be clicking on any of the product here, so for example I am clicking this one, and this will be added to this will actually show me the product page here. So you can see that we have the product page, and I have already added a few products into the cart. So if you will just hover over it, then you can also see that we have checkout button, PayPal, and this one. So let me show you here one thing. So for example, I am clicking on this specific button here. So this is just going to help me to select the parameter which we have actually added with the product page. So once you will be clicking on this one, then this product would be added to cart. And you can also see that I have also added one additional functionality here, like view cart or checkout. So if you will be clicking on checkout, then checkout page, you will be redirected to the checkout page. And if you will be clicking on view cart, then you will be redirected to the cart page. So this is also the additional thing that I have added. So once you are clicking on view cart, then you can see that all the products would be over here, and on the right hand side you can see that PayPal buttons here, and we have also the checkout page. So if you are interested to click on checkout, then you can also go ahead with this one, or maybe you can also do the payments over here. All right. So for example, I am clicking on the checkout page, then I will be redirected to the checkout again, and there you will be not getting any unwanted field which we had before. So finally you thought that we have got the solution of our problem. So don't forget to subscribe this channel, because I am already trying to add some useful content for you guys. So just like this video and share this video as well. So feel free to ask the questions if you have any. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you in the next video.